Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Irene, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge Sephora unboxing with you guys. So if you're interested to see everything that I purchased from the Sephora sale, which I know is a little bit late, but I can explain why, then let's get started. Okay, so I've got all of my packages in front of me. So I've got a bag, a box, and underneath an even larger box. Now, I'm really kind of irritated, I'm not gonna lie, because I had purchased all of these things from their VIB sale for the spring sale, and I don't even remember the dates of it because it's been so long ago now. But I had placed an order on all of these items, but then what ended up happening was that they, Canada Post delivered it to the wrong address. So then they essentially lost my mail and I never ended up getting it. So I had to come in contact with Sephora and get them to resend it out, which is why it's taken me so long to film this video, because I recently just got my package in today. So without further ado, let's get into these boxes. I think what I'm gonna do first off is show you what's inside this bag, things that I picked up in store. Now, I wanna just put a disclaimer out there that I'm not keeping all of these things, in the sense that I'm gonna be gifting some of these things to other people. I'm not keeping all of it for myself, okay? Just because I know it's a lot. But from inside this bag, the first thing I got, this is for myself. I got the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And I don't know how many of you guys use Olaplex, but I personally love the Olaplex No. 3 treatment for just kind of helping with keeping my hair healthy and repairing the bonds in my hair. So I thought I would try this moisture mask and kind of use it in combination with the No. 3 treatment, and hopefully that will make my hair even healthier. So fingers crossed. I'm gonna see and test how this goes. The next thing that's in this bag is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer in SPF 30, and this is actually for my husband. He was looking for a daily moisturizer that has sunscreen built in, because I finally convinced him that sunscreen is important, so he's starting to listen, thank goodness. So this is for him, and he tried it out. He doesn't like things to be oily and like to have like a stick to it when he's applied it, and he says this one's good when he tried it on in store. Next thing that's in this baggie is the Protini Powerpeptide Resurf Serum. This is a new serum from Drunk Elephant. I actually used their, what is it, that vitamin C one, the orange one they have. I have the Framboos one, and they're all pretty good. I've stopped using the vitamin C one just because I haven't restocked up on it, but this one is a new one, so we're gonna see how this one works. It's got a lot of peptides in it and everything, so it should be good for the skin. It's supposed to strengthen and resurface the skin, and it's got 10% lactic acid and 11 signal peptides. And so we'll see how this guy goes. Next up, we have the INKEY List Retinol Eye Cream. And again, this is my husband. He's like, is there an eye cream that I can use? I don't know what's gotten into him lately, but so I said we can just try like a cheapy eye cream for now. This is INKEY List, so their items are quite affordable, and so we thought we'd give that one a try. And then we have this, oh, it's opened up here. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. So this one's supposed to be more of like a nourishing night treatment cream that you put on to kind of like sit and absorb throughout the night when you're sleeping. So this one seems really nourishing, but at the same time not too sticky to the touch after you've applied it. So we'll see how this one goes. And then in here we've got a bunch of samples from the lady at the store. So it's just Drunk Elephant and all these things. I'll go through that later. Next up, we have to open up a box. All right, I'm going to get right into this. Okay, so got quite a stuffed box in here, my packing slip. All right, so in here I have placed an order for the Pharmacy Whipped Greens. This is a cleanser. I wanted like an oil-free cleanser because I do have eyelash extensions, and oils in general are not good for eyelash extensions. It breaks down the adhesive, and I am running out of my Philosophy cleanser, so I thought I would give this one a try and see how it goes. It's got moringa and papaya in it, so I've actually never tried Pharmacy items. I'm actually really excited to try it out. Next up, this is actually a gift. So this is the slip, it's all packaged up. Sorry, I'll open it up here. This is the slip silk pillowcase. I actually have one myself because I kind of had a panic moment where I was like, oh my goodness, there's such bad wrinkles under my eyes, and I think it's just major dehydration of my skin. I fixed that, but it never hurts to have a luxurious sleeping mask, and this is in the white color. And it just looks like this, and so this is a gift, so I'm not gonna open it actually. And then this next item that's left, the last item in this box, oh, not the last, second last. This item right here, this is the Innisfree green tea hydration set. So this one was really intriguing. I had to get this one. Again, this is going to be a gift, but I really wanted this one because it came with the full-size serum, which is actually the same price, like $35 Canadian. But in addition to just the serum itself, it obviously comes with a cleansing foam, and also I think this is like some sort of moisturizer. So this is a great deal for what you get, so I thought I would order this one, and like I said, this is a gift. And the last item in this box, oh, this is the Peace Out Retinol Eye Stick. I'm really excited to try this one out because, again, I had a freak out moment where there was some bad wrinkles under my eyes, and again, it was just some really bad dehydration, but I wanted to try this one out and see how it goes. So if I open this up, because this is for myself, I can. I'm gonna open it up. Okay, we're gonna cut it. There we go. So inside this retinol eye stick, it just looks like this. It's almost like, looks like a lip balm, and you just twist it up and it's got the retinol eye cream in there. So they say that, I think you can use this day and night. Yeah, use daily in the evening. So use daily in the PM after cleansing your skin. Swipe it, don't wipe it on entire eye area. So it says to begin using once a week to allow skin time to adjust to the retinol. So if you're into anti-aging, like I've been kind of obsessed with it lately, they say that 2 things for sure guarantee to help a little bit with like anti-aging and like wrinkles and things like that, and that is sunscreen, which is sun protection, and then retinol. So I've been trying to get more into that. I already do use some retinol products already, but I thought I'd amp it up a little bit. It doesn't hurt to try some new things. In this last box, we've saved the largest for last. This was actually my original order that got lost in the mail by the post. So they had to send out a whole new order to me. So in here, we have quite a few items. Uh-oh, we'll pick that up after. So they gave me like some Dior, or no, not Dior, Clinique trial size stuff, testers, and an all-nighter lasting spray. This one I actually really like to use to set my makeup, so that's perfect. And then in here I have another Innisfree set. It's the exact same one that I showed you guys earlier, because this one I'm going to keep for myself. I wanted to try out the serum from Innisfree. And then next up I have my favorite Peter Thomas Roth sunscreen with SPF 45, and this is a physical sunscreen, which I love because it doesn't cause me to break out in hives on my face. Next up is my favorite, one of my favorite hair care products. This is a restock for me. It's an Amika, Flash Instant Shine Mask. So this one I use in my hair about once a week, and it restores beautiful shine to my hair, and it smells incredible. And the best part is it works in 1 minute. So amazing. Highly recommend that. Next up is another restock. This is the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish, and this is the powder. So I use this in my daily makeup routine in the color Medium Plus. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll have everything linked down in the description bar below, but it just looks like this inside, and it's just like a tinted powder, and it wears beautifully on the face throughout the day. I've been using this powder for many years, and I keep going back to it. I find it's really good for giving my skin a little bit of a tint, especially if you're not a girl who likes to wear foundation, but you still want a little bit of a skin like evening out of the skin tone. It works really well. And two last items in here. One is the Nars Creamy Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I have the Custard color, so I use this under my eyes and just around the T-zone area just to help conceal and even it out instead of using full face of foundation. And the final item is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This is my absolute favorite lip gloss, probably in the entire world. And I've been using it for years as well. It's so glossy, it's so shiny, but it doesn't give you the stickiness, and it also has a plumping effect. So it just looks like this. I got it in the beige color, and yeah, it's just beautiful. So I'm glad to have a backup of this one because I am running out of my other one that I have. So there you have it. I've got a mess in front of me. Those are the items that I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. And again, I apologize for it being such a late upload considering the sale is gone weeks ago, if not probably a month ago. That was out of my control, unfortunately. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join our little community here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!